Hi guys, it's Nicole and
Noelle.
today we're going to make slime. Now, what you need
Is glue,
contact solution,
and
shaving cream. Is fine shaving cream working? That's all you need. But if you want to add some colors, you can. But we're just going to leave it white for now.
so
Okay.
let's get to it.
Okay, so first step, you have to have a bowl too. And you're going to pour the glue. You're going to pour the glue
Into the bowl.
Once you get the right amount, that's good. Once you get the right amount, you want to add the shaving cream. If you're going to do color, add the color.
Add the color first. And then mix it up.
And then do the shaving cream.
Wait, do I take this off? No.
Oh my god, Noelle. Oh, that's good.
Just get it off my finger.
Okay.
Okay, that was kind of weird and
So
funny.
now, yeah, you can add more. I'm just gonna mix it.
Wait, add more.
You can do whatever, mixing tool.
And if you want more glue, you can add more glue.
Yeah, if you felt like you added too much shaving cream, make sure you would like to add. Make sure you add glue.
You want more shaving cream or no?
No, I think that's
Okay. Should we add this now?
yeah. You can use borax too.
And water, borax mixture, and that's you need water and
Okay,
borax.
only put a little bit at a time, because if you put
A whole lot, then
it's gonna get really clumpy. It's not gonna really turn out great. No, keep on adding it. So yeah, you just want to keep on this thing, and it should get the right.
every 10 seconds you might want to put it in.
Make sure you put a lot in a while. Yeah, that's good. There, see that? Now it's like, hold it for like 3 seconds.
It's kind of getting together.
Yeah. So this is what it. Wait, stop. This is what it should
Start and look like.
look like. Don't touch it. Noelle, don't touch it.
Oh, that's shaving cream.
And just want to mix it.
And you might want to get dirty clothes because this could be messy.
Yeah. One time, Noelle, slime got stuck all over to you, and you couldn't even get it off. No, you want to mix now?
Yeah.
Okay. You're gonna mix.
Why are you doing the ew, so smushy and goopy.
You should add.
Oh, this new. Might want to do it hard.
Did it go in?
Yeah.
Okay.
Only a little bit, but
Good.
it's okay. Got stickier.
And if it gets sticky, you can add more contact solution. Or if you want it like stretchy,
Add the lotion.
you want to add lotion. So yeah, you can add glitter, whatever you want.
And
As I said, I was going to add lotion. So let me just grab a little bit. You just want to get a little bit of lotion, not a whole lot. Unless it's going to be too stretchy. Unless you want it to be too stretchy.
one time when I did too stretchy, it got all over me.
Yeah.
What